Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 30, 2023. Hard Sudoku, 7th grade and 7th row. We have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is from here. 6th row, 7th row. We have 5. Column J also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is from here. 8th row, 9th row. We have 5. Column E also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is from here. 7th row, 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 8. 4th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade and 7th row, we have 1, 4, and 8. That 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. In 10th row, we already have 1 and 8. 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. We can confirm 4 also here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirm here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 6. Column J also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Now 6 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 6. 4th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then second row, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 4th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9. Column E, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 4th row, we have 8. Column D also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third row, 4th row, we have 5. Column F also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 4th row and 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. column F, column G, we have 6. 10th row, 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 will come in another cells. I will confirm later. Then column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 7th grade, we will already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 6. Second row, we have 7 and 6. So 7 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come in the cell. It will come in another cells. 8th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. 8th row, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we will have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.